Hey, so if you want to use Google Maps on your PC like a real app, yeah, you can actually install it on Windows using a simple method. In this guide, I'll show you how to download Google Maps for Windows step by step in 2026. First, Google Maps doesn't have an official standalone Windows app, but you can install it as a web app. Open Google Chrome on your Windows PC, search for Google Maps or open the official website. Click the three-dot menu in Chrome and select Install as App. Click Install and Google Maps will open like a desktop application. You can also create a shortcut for quick access from your desktop. Right-click the app and pin it to your taskbar for faster access. You can still search places, get directions, and use saved locations just like on mobile. Everything stays synced if you're logged into your Google account. Since it runs in Chrome, it automatically stays updated. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Maps on Windows like a full app in 2026.